Oh wait, we're going. Sorry guys. If you hear notes in the back, just ignore. This maybe I might not be lying. Just kidding, I don't even know. Sorry for not having the sunlight. Go brown curls. I mean, there's something you can play. What's going on with my game? Oh my gosh. We got my hat. So beautiful. I also got another hat. I don't know where I left it at, but here's a quick picture. Here's my name on it, yeah, and it's Cubs. Cubs. Wait, Cubs? Yeah. So beautiful. Look at that. Now let's go play some Tour Simulators. Remember I said I deleted my account? Well, Actually, I've been working so hard since the day I deleted it, and then now I'm back. Also, I'm chewing gum, so sorry for that. This is my game. My room doesn't look the same though. We react, and at the end, we have to react when Dimond potatoes video. He just says, okay, react to it. So I don't know. You didn't hear him. Look at that. He's so handsome. He's so handsome. Just look at him. And let's react to one of Dimond potatoes videos. Also check out Just Ninjas. It's awesome. Oh, I forgot I wanted to do something. I did not have something prepared for you guys. For right now, let's react to one of his videos, and I'll see you there. We're reacting to one of his videos.
Oh! Wait up, don't move it so they can see that it's not on the couch.
I could do better. See that. I could do better.
Wait up, don't move it so they can see that it's not on the couch.
See, this video, like really, I mean, bottle flipping, it's still new. I like it. But I could totally do that. Hi, just excuse that. Make a video ready. What the it says, and you know what? Same more videos. Now I'll prepare what I told you guys, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, there you go. I had everything in my inventory. I just needed to set it up, and now we're ready. Also, Dimond Potato, can you please stop being mean to me? Like in school, I'd be like, don't disrespect this guy, he's sick. Did you stop being mean? We're like just friends, and we keep on doing that. So let me just show you what I got here. There it is, baby. Look at that, you mommy. I got some swag now. Okay, end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to click on that like button and please like the video, subscribe, anything. Okay, see you guys next time. Just the word is bye,